So these are the four role of marketing manager. What are those? Detective, designer, decision maker, diplomat, and discuss and decision influencer. So actually how, okay, how these are the roles of a manager. Detective, how it is a detective, how the manager is a detective. Like, the marketer is charged with understanding markets and must spend considerable time learning about consumers, competitors, customers, and conditions in the market. So the marketing manager ఏం చేయాలి? He has to detect what are the conditions in the market and what are the who are the competitors in the market and what is the price in the market is going on and who are competing with them and who are doing competition with that market. Everything this has to be identified and research has to be done by the marketing manager. Okay, so marketing manager need to check the who are the competitors, okay, and what is the condition in the market, what is the condition in the market is going on and who are their competitors. All these things the marketing manager need to detect. Okay, so the marketer is charged with understanding marketing. So these marketing managers will be given some amount, some salary. Like this they will work to detect the marketing conditions, who are the competitors, how the market is been working and what are the conditions in the markets, all this. So this learning takes place forms formal marketing research studies. So analysis of market data, market visits and discussions with people in the market. So they will be collecting some data. How these marketing researchers, marketing manager will do the research means they will talk to the public and they will take some feedbacks from the public. They will do some research, they will collect some data, by communicating with the general public all through internet. Like this they will take the all kinds of feedbacks from the customers. So they will gather all the data and they will analyze. Okay, they will analyze and they will study regarding the market conditions. So market visits and discussions with people in the markets. So they visits to the markets and they discuss the conditions, they discuss with the people in the market. They visit and they take all kinds of feedbacks from the customers. So the result of these studies include insights about market conditions and the identification of problems and opportunities in the various markets. So the result of these studies, okay, the result of these studies includes insights about market conditions and the identification of problems and opportunities in the various markets. So what happens if they are doing this research means they can gather what they can do, they can gather the all kinds of opportunities what they are getting in the different markets by analyzing about the market conditions and by identifying the problems and opportunities, by identifying what are the problems and what are the opportunities available in the markets. So second is what? Designer. So once a problem or opportunity has been identified, the marketer turns his attention to designing marketing programs that will solve the problems or that will capture the opportunities, right? So once the problem is detected by the marketing manager, what is in the market or what is the problem and what is the new opportunity he can get in the market, after identifying them he will design the marketing programs. Okay, he will design the marketing programs means he will go to where, what to do in the public, how to do the marketing, where to do the marketing, all this they will and what are the changes they can do, okay, to attract the public. All these they will what they do, they will arrange the, or he will design, okay, he will design the program according to the situation to solve the problems or to capture the new opportunities. Third is decision maker. Decision maker, a marketing manager is a detective, is a designer, and then what he will be the decision maker. Okay, so marketing is a group process that involves many different people, so each of whom may be designing marketing programs and events. The marketer must make decisions about which programs to execute. So basically, after designing the marketing program, decision has to be made by the manager, that which program has to be executed and which program has to be implemented. That decision has to be taken by the marketing manager. So marketing is a group process that involves many different people. So in marketing, a single person will not do a marketing. There will be a group of people who will be doing the marketing in different locations. So it a group of program it will be. So that decision where to do this program and where it has to be executed, that need to be decided by this marketing manager. So marketing is a decision process that involves many different people, so each of whom may be designing marketing programs and events. So thus the marketing must make decisions about, the marketer must make decisions about which programs to execute. Okay, so fourth one is diplomat. What is fourth one? It's diplomat. So what is diplomat? Marketers design marketing events. Marketer design marketing events that others must execute. So the sales force must execute the sales plans. So the advertising agency must execute the advertisements. Okay, so the marketers design, what they do, the marketers, they will design the marketing events and that others must execute. What the others has to execute, a marketing program cheyali, that what they will do, the marketer will design and he must execute the sales force. So the sales force must execute the sales plan. So there will be a sales force people will be there, they need to plan about the sales, and advertising agency will be there, they must execute the advertisement. Okay, first they need to, what they need to do, the manager will design, then he will decide where to do, then the decision will be taken, and there will be a marketing event that has to be executed, then the sales force must execute the sales plan, the advertising agency must execute the advertisements. So these units don't usually report to the marketing managers, and they are undertaking tasks given to them by multiple marketing managers. So there will be sales force, there will be a marketing executives, so different work will be given to these executives and they will be sent to different locations, and their report they need to submit to the marketing manager, the head manager, about what they are doing in the marketing procedure. So each manager must play a diplomatic role while inducing these units to execute her program in a timely and high quality way. Okay, so each manager must play a diplomatic role. What each manager must do? Each manager must play a diplomatic role while inducing these units to execute her program in a timely and high quality way. Another one is discussant. It is, all of these roles require considerable discussion, okay, among many parties within and outside the company. So the marketing manager spends most of her time in discussions with others. So this is discussant means, another sixth one, it is, what is that? It is that discussions has to be done. Discussion has to be done, proper decision has to be taken, and the discussion about the, what about the marketing the discussion has to be done. So without a proper discussion, proper marketing procedure cannot be carried. So all of these roles require considerable discussion among many parties within and outside the company. So the marketing manager spends most of his her time in discussion with others. Sixth one is decision influencer. Sixth one is decision influencer. What is decision influencer? Marketers exist in corporate structures. Okay, marketer exist in corporate structures that require higher level executives to approve the marketing plans, programs, events, okay, that come out of the marketing group work. So the marketer must influence the discussion of these senior executives. So marketing exists in corporate structures. Corporate means there will be a, in company, corporate structure means in a company style. So marketer will be there who exist in corporate structures that require higher level executives to approve the marketing plans, programs, events that come out of the marketing group work. So the marketer must influence the decision of these senior executives. So these are the roles what a manager, what a marketing manager will be carrying. What are those roles? He will be a detective. He first of all he need to detect the market, analyze, then they need to design about the plan, program, what he need to do in the market. Then the decision has to be taken. Then he used to think in a diplomatic way. Then there should be a discussion. Then decision should be taken. So all these are the roles of the roles of the marketing manager. So now we will discuss the another topic. Okay, the another topic it is so now we have discussed about the different roles of the marketing manager. So we will discuss regarding the topic it is marketing environment. Okay, and you have like the components of marketing concepts. There are 4 components. Okay, there are 4 components of marketing concept. We will discuss about it now. So you can get a question like explain the components of marketing concept. Explain the concept of marketing concept. There are 4 components that are customer orientation, okay. Second is integrated marketing. Next is profitable sales through customers satisfaction. Another is customer welfare. Okay, so these are the four components of marketing concept. Okay, what are these? These are customer orientation, integrated marketing, profitable sales through customer satisfaction, and fourth is customer welfare. Okay, so what are the concepts? Customer orientation, integrated marketing, profitable sales through customer satisfaction. Another is customer welfare. So what is this actually, what is this concept? The component of marketing concept is basically the marketing concept. First one is customer orientation. So basically marketing is dependent on the customer. So the marketing concept calls for a basic customer orientation of the company from looking inward towards its product to looking outward the customer needs. So first of all they need to see what are the products available in the company inward. Then also they need to check what are the customer needs. So according to a person called Deviate, selling focuses on the needs of the seller, marketing on the needs of the buyer. So selling focuses on the needs of the seller and marketing focuses on the needs of the buyer. So selling is what? Selling is preoccupied with the seller's needs to convert his product into cash. Marketing on the other hand goes with the idea of satisfying the needs of the customers. So they will be satisfying the needs of the customer. So basically for effective customer orientation, the company has to first satisfy the basic needs of the customer. Okay, so I will write on the board so that you can understand. So basically effective customer orientation has firstly for effective customer orientation okay, for effective customer orientation, first is consumer is the king of the market. Customer is the king of the market and producer depends upon consumers. Okay, consumers. So consumer does not depend upon producers. Consumer does not depend on does not depend upon producers. So for effective orientation, okay, for effective orientation, first component is what? Customer orientation. So in this, for effective customer orientation, the company has to first satisfy the basic needs of the customers. Secondly, market segments serve better taking into account its limited resources. Thirdly, color, size and design of the product. So it can choose to satisfy the specific needs of the specific customer and introduce it in the market through product differentiation. So customer, what are the customer needs that need to be checked? So the remaining class I will explain and take the class in the next coming classes.